All right, continuing our practice with long division, I have 33 divided by 6. So you're going to set up your house on your whiteboard or your paper. Our dividend is 33. That's going to go inside my house. The dividend is in. And then my divisor is 6. That's my driver. He's going to go outside. So I have 33 divided by 6. Alright, so you have your problem set up like this. Do you think that I'm missing something? Did I forget to do something? I need my multiplication sign right here. That way that reminds me that after I'm dividing, I need to multiply. Alright, so following in your steps, you're going to see how many times can 6 go into 3. So that's saying that you only have 3 total. Can I make a group of 6 out of 3? Can I divide 3 divided by 6? I can't make a group of 6 out of 3. So if I can't do it, I've got to fill that in with a 0 at the top. I can't make any groups. There are no groups. So how I show no groups is with a 0. So that's Dad divide, Mom multiply. 0 times 6. Anything I multiply with 0 always gives me 0. That's going to go under your 3. And then after Mom multiply is sister subtract. So 3 minus 0 gives me 3. After sister subtract, I have to brother bring down my other 3. Now what you notice about this is you just made 33 again. What I do want you to practice and keep in your mind is even if you get zeros up here, I still want you to follow through with your steps. That way you're practicing with your division facts. So even if you have 0, there may be some instances where this 3 could have been 6, 7, 8, or 9. And so that would have been a different number up here. I do want you to get in the practice of filling it in. You don't have to write this down as part of your final answer. Like if you're doing your work on a worksheet and then you go to show your answer, you don't have to do 0, whatever else your quotient is. You can just leave that part off. If you want to put it, you can, but you don't have to. Alright, so now instead of looking to see how many times 6 can go into 3, we're repeating our steps and we're going to see how many times can 6 go into 33. So with your top bottom chart, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because this is my divisor, I'm going to look at my bottom number to see if I see 33. And I don't. 36 is too high. Like if I were to go to sister subtract, I can't do 33 minus 36. So I've got to backtrack and see if I can find a smaller number that's closest to 33. 30 is my best bet. So my top number is going to be 5. That's going to go up here next to my 0. So that's Dad divide. You just divided 33 into equal groups of 6. You were only able to make 5 groups of 6. Mom multiply. You have 5 times 6. You can use your top bottom chart, your multiplication chart. You can count by 5s. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives me 30. That's my bottom number. So that's going to go under 33. So after Mom multiply comes sister subtract. I have 33 minus 30. 3 minus 0 gives me 3. 3 minus 3 gives me 0. I don't have another number to bring down here, so I don't need to brother bring down. I don't need to repeat my steps, so that means that the R in this case for down here on 3 is my remainder. So up here you only have 5. You need to put your R for remainder, 3. So this is saying that when you're trying to put 33 into equal groups of 6, you're only able to make 5 groups of 6, but you have 3 left over. Now, you've got to check to see if your quotient is correct. So you're going to take your 5 times 6, and again, you can count by 5s, you can count by 6s, you can use your top-bottom chart, your multiplication chart. 5 times 6 gives me 30. That's the inverse of my division that I did here. And now I need to see for my remainder, my inverse or opposite operation of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 3 to 30. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus nothing, 3. If I get the same number here, that's my dividend, then my quotient is correct. So when you divide 33 divided by 6, you have your quotient of 5, remainder 3.